Yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took.
Hi family, it's your girl GEENARYJ. As you can see from the title of my vlog, y'all, we're gonna do a nightly routine with me and my family. And if you are new here, welcome. Or if you are returning back, hey boo, how you doing? It's nice to see you. But yes, y'all will see me and my family on my nightly routine. I just got off work, y'all. I did a grocery pickup so that we could have some groceries in the house because, baby, we were running low. But we're going to have a quick lit meal tonight. We are going to eat chicken patties and french fries tonight. Something that the kids and my husband love because it's really quick and it doesn't take me long. And who wants to stand up in the kitchen after getting off work all day and cook? Not me. But first, we must have a glass of wine. Yes, I have to have my glass of wine every night before I go to bed. And I'm choosing right now to drink it while I'm cooking because it's been a rough day at work. I love me some sweet white wine. I love me some Moscato. So if y'all ever thinking about me and want to send me something, send me some Moscato.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that heat of love. I wanna
ride all night. Work it in the milk.
I wanna
so right, cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what we've been through.
It's not that I don't want you here. Something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you.
I am done cooking. We are about to eat, and my husband and the kids are going to clean up the kitchen, and I'm about to get in the shower.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad, you got it bad. true, 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 true.
Shit real. I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact. I'll be grown now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away.
I am done with taking a shower and doing my face routine and my hair routine. Now I'm about to read my devotion for the night and basically get ready for bed. My husband is already asleep and I'm about to watch a little TV and eventually fall asleep. I'll see you guys later.
And I'm catching feelings, baby.